Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to reach out to Commonwealth Bank but couldn't find the right email address? It's a common dilemma, and it can be frustrating. In this video, we're going to guide you through the process of contacting Commonwealth Bank by email, ensuring you get the help you need. Commonwealth Bank, being one of Australia's leading financial institutions, offers a wide range of banking products and services. Whether you're dealing with a query about your account, seeking assistance with a transaction, or simply want to provide feedback, reaching out via email is often a convenient and efficient option. Step 1. Identify your purpose before you start crafting your email. It's crucial to determine the specific reason you're contacting Commonwealth Bank. Are you inquiring about a recent transaction, seeking information about a product, or reporting a problem? Clearly understanding your purpose will help you tailor your email effectively. Step 2. Find the right email address. Commonwealth Bank provides various email addresses for different inquiries. Here are some common ones to consider. General inquiries. For general questions or feedback, you can email General Inquiries email address. Customer service. If you have a specific issue or complaint, contact Customer Service email address. Technical support. For technical problems related to online banking or mobile apps, reach out to Technical Support email address. Specific departments. If you're dealing with a particular department, such as loans, credit cards, or investments, you might find their specific email address on the Commonwealth Bank website or in your account documentation. Step 3. Gather relevant information to ensure a prompt and accurate response. Gather all necessary information before composing your email. This may include your account number or customer reference, transaction details, if applicable, any relevant documents or screenshots, a clear and concise description of your query or problem. Step 4. Compose a professional email. When crafting your email, follow these guidelines. Subject line. Use a clear and concise subject line that accurately reflects the content of your email. For example, inquiry about recent transaction or technical issue with online banking. Salutation. Begin your email with a polite salutation, such as Dear Commonwealth Bank Customer Service. Body. Clearly state your purpose and provide all relevant details. Be respectful and courteous in your tone. Closing. End your email with a polite closing, such as thank you for your assistance. Step 5. Attach necessary documents. If you need to provide any supporting documents, attach them to your email in a clear and organized manner. Ensure they are in a commonly used file format, such as PDF or JPEG. Step 6. Proofread carefully before sending your email. Carefully proofread it for any errors in grammar, spelling, or punctuation. A well-written email will make a positive impression. Additional tips. Be patient. While Commonwealth Bank strives to respond promptly, it may take some time to receive a reply. Follow up. If you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame, don't hesitate to follow up with a polite email. Consider alternative contact methods. If you prefer to speak to someone directly, Commonwealth Bank also offers phone support and in-branch assistance. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively contact Commonwealth Bank by email and receive the help you need. Remember to be clear, concise, and respectful in your communication. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.